Are you struggling to find reliable air conditioner repair services in Singapore? Let's start by understanding your specific needs and requirements. Begin by assessing the condition of your air conditioner and identifying any issues or concerns you may have. Next, research and gather information about different repair companies in Singapore. Look for reviews, ratings, and testimonials to gauge their reputation and reliability. Once you have shortlisted a few potential candidates, it's time to reach out and inquire about their services. Ask about their experience, qualifications, and pricing to ensure they meet your expectations. As you make your decision, prioritize quality and reliability over price. Investing in a reputable repair service will ensure the longevity and efficiency of your air conditioner. In conclusion, finding the best air conditioner repair in Singapore requires thorough research, careful consideration, and a focus on quality. Remember to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more detailed reviews and information on top repair companies in Singapore.